Welcome back to TLB Station. Today we're diving into a trendy design concept that's taking the web by storm: glassmorphism. Glassmorphism is a design style that uses transparent, blurred backgrounds to create a modern and cool effect. It makes parts of your design look like frosted glass, with soft edges and light shadows. This gives your design a simple and clean look. Now, how do we apply a glassmorphism effect to this box? It's quite simple. First, we set the background to transparent. Then, we use the backdrop filter property to apply a blur effect. For example, I'll set the blur to 5 pixels. These pixels represent how strong the blur is. The higher the number, the stronger the effect. For example, if we increase it to 10 pixels, the blur becomes more intense. And if we reduce it to 3 pixels, the blur effect becomes lighter. Now, if we try to change the background to something solid, like black, the glassmorphism effect disappears completely. Even if we try a color like RGB, the effect is still gone. To fix this, we need to use color models with alpha, such as RGBA or HSLA. These allow us to add transparency to the color, which keeps the glassmorphism effect. As you can see, the background has changed, but the glassmorphism effect is still there. We can also make the background a gradient. First, set the background color to transparent. Then, we'll use the background image property to apply the gradient. For example, we can set it to linear gradient at 70 degrees, using RGBA colors to keep the glassmorphism effect intact. Now, we've applied the gradient background, and as you can see, the glassmorphism effect is still working perfectly. And that's it! We've successfully applied the glassmorphism effect with both solid and gradient backgrounds. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more web design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.